This is the GTS3 GPS smartwatch. Has always-on mode integrated with the defined watch face that you choose to put on it, and a whole variety of different faces you can select from, stock ones as well as custom ones that you can install. Swipe down, you get notifications sent from your phone. Swipe up, you get all kinds of controls, brightness, raise your wrist to see the time, a built-in flashlight. This will drain water from the watch and lock the screen up when you're swimming so it doesn't move into places you don't want it to go. Yes, it's a waterproof, swimmable watch. Yes, it has Bluetooth calling and music streaming in it as well. When you come back and twirl the knob or slide off to the side, you'll get into your step count for the day, an overall health monitoring program that measures a bunch of parameters all at once, your 24-hour heart rate, it'll take an instantaneous measurement, sleep information, blood oxygen, weather in your area, and your overall workouts that generate interesting tracks that on the app, as you'll see in the full review, you can actually follow along where it's going. When you press the side button, you get into your app drawer, you got your activity, workout, step, heart rate, all of that. You also have stress now that's available. You have, ladies, your menstrual cycle. When you set it up in the phone, you get a lot of detailed information. Breathing alarms, your phone calls, stopwatch that'll run in the background, still running, and blood oxygen with measurements as well, weather in your area, the music player, a world clock with the current time, all kinds of things. It comes with a couple of different bands. This is a nice kind of cloth band, and it comes with a nice rubberized band, all for a really, really good introductory price. It is the GTS3 GPS. Check it out.